Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Master One here. I got a video for you guys today. It's this time of year again. It's about October 31st, Halloween. So happy Halloween to everyone. And it's time to get your lawnmower put away, pull out your snowblower. And I got a video on how to tune up your snowblower. I'll be doing it on an 8 horsepower, 26 inch, a Sears Craftsman 8 horsepower Tecumseh engine, 26 inch cutting area or whatever. We'll be doing an oil change, spark plug change, draining the gas, putting fresh gas in, and replacing the shear bolts. So let's get on into this. Alrighty, so now what you want to do is locate your drain plug. On newer snowblowers, going to be around here. On mine, it's right here. So we got to get the. You can use a socket. I'll be using a wrench, and all you need, and you just need somewhere to put your oil. So I just made this out of an oil bottle. I just cut this open so I can drain in there. So you just gotta find something, or you can use the oil thing for just oil. I had that, but I don't know where it is. So I think it's an 18. So now what you want to go ahead and do is remove the screw. I put this in here somehow. I jammed it in, and just remove it, and just put the screw somewhere safe. You want to go ahead and dry it off and let this leak all the way. So you want to leave it for about half an hour, maybe to an hour, maybe 15 minutes, until the oil starts to drip. I hope I don't overfill it. It's tilted. So I'm going to come back as soon as this is done. Now all you want to do is get your screw and dry it off a bit. And then just go ahead and put it in. Put it in until it's hand tight. Then remove the oil, the old oil. Be careful not to make it. Okay. And then all you want to do is hand tighten. Then when you can't hand tighten it anymore, just go ahead and get your wrench. You want it fairly tight so oil doesn't leak out, because then you'll just blow your engine. Alright, so that's good. Now, you can see the oil had to be changed. It is black as it can be. It's supposed to be a nice golden brown, but that oil is just black. So now once we have changed the oil, once we changed it, drained it, we're not going to go ahead and put the new oil in. We're going to go ahead and drain all the gas out. Now what you want to do is remove this whole cover. The way to do it is remove this screw right here. I'll remove that screw, and then remove these two, and then there's one right here. So I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so you might have to remove your muffler. You're going to have to remove the screw that goes on your ignition right here. But when you remove that metal piece, you want to go ahead and remove this screw right here that holds there's gas in the bowl. You want to get all that out and put fresh gas in, so it's gonna leak out. Maybe I should get a bucket or something. I'm just gonna use this for my oil. Oh. There's a lot of gas coming out and it stinks, and Oh, let all that leak out. You want to open up your gas cap, take off your gas cap on your gas tank, and that all just leak out right there. And I'll come back as soon as that's done. Next thing you want to do is make sure this hole right here, it's clean, the jet right there, that it's not dirty in that one. Then we can go ahead and reinsert it. So go ahead and check your fuel line, and if it's pretty stiff, you should replace it. Mine's soft, real soft. Check it pretty good. Then we can go put this back together. I just want to make sure these screws are tight. So now the cover can be reinserted. Sorry if my head got in the way. And the way to do this, make sure your ignition goes through the ignition hole. Like that. And don't put it on right away. You want to put your muffler back on. Actually, do not touch it. We're going to go ahead and... Next thing you want to do is go ahead and replace your spark plug. Sorry about that. I had to go get my spark plug remover. So it's a 13/16, and just stick. You can put your dipstick back in. I forgot to say. And then just go ahead and remove it. And you want to go ahead and check and see if it's good. Mine's stuck. Alright, so come on. How do you get stuck in here? And you want to check down here and see how good it is. Pretty dirty, but... So to replace it, mine is a Champion J8C. So I'll be right back. So I got my handy dandy Champion small engine. I got my new spark plug on me. I'll go ahead and remove it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and gap it with my handy dandy spark plug gapper to 30. Alright, so it's on 30. And it's able to be removed. Able to be reinstalled. So put this on. Switch it to Titan. Alright. And this thing keeps getting stuck. Oh my god. There we go. Put it back on top. And we're done the spark plug. So now, we can go ahead and pour the good oil. The reason I didn't want to put this cover on is because I can go insert the oil. And the oil plug is right here. And if I put that on, I can't reach. So, put my funnel in. Get my Pennzoil. Maximum protection, it says. I don't know. Open it up. Yeah, let me turn this radio off. You don't need. And then just hold it in. Don't pour too much because you don't want it to overflow. Actually, don't want to overfill it because it's not good. So I'm just going to come back when I'm done. Alright, so I'm just going to check again. Pull it all the way out. And you want it right here. In between the OK, where my finger is. Right there. So you want it right there, and mine is right in between there. Maybe a centimeter off. So we're done with the oil change. Now we can go ahead and put this metal piece back on. I'll come back just to save time when I'm done that. Last thing is to remove the shear bolt. It's a 13mm. When you take it out, you check it. Mine is straight, so it's all good. so I can check the next one. I'll do that and come right back. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and see if she'll start up. There's gas, there's oil, new plug. I don't know why she should be able to start. Get the key, put it in, turn it over. Choke is on now. Give it some give it some throttle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So let's see what happens. Ooh, second pull. Come on, baby. Oh. Well, it started. Let's go one more. Come on. Go. There's the cold start. Done tune up. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys comment, rate, subscribe. Catch you next my video. This is a monster. Peace, YouTube.